What if your smartphone could actually move its camera by itself? This is the Honor Robot Phone, and this might be one of the most futuristic smartphones I've ever seen. It has a camera mounted on a motorized gimbal that can physically move, rotate, and track your subject. So today I got hands-on Honor Robot Phone. Let's unbox it and see what this crazy phone is actually like in person. Let's start with the unboxing. Opening the box, the first thing we find is a tiny SIM card ejector tool. Then we have this strong, adjustable magnetic stand, which is really useful for positioning the phone while using that robotic camera. Next is the case. Honor includes a high-quality MagSafe-compatible silicone case, and honestly, it feels really comfortable and soft in the hand. I also like the design because there's a perfect cutout around the camera, giving the gimbal plenty of room to move and adjust without the case getting in the way. Then we have the 120-watt charger, along with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and finally, the robot phone itself. This is the star of the show. This is one of the first smartphones to bring a built-in motorized gimbal camera directly into the phone. And just look at this camera system. This isn't your typical smartphone camera bump. The main camera is mounted on a robotic gimbal, so it can physically move instead of relying only on digital stabilization or cropping. Honor has essentially taken the concept of a smartphone camera and added a mechanical movement system to it. And when you see it move for the first time, it genuinely feels like something from the future. Now let's see what it can actually do. The robot phone uses AI to recognize and track a subject. So if you're recording yourself, you can move around the room, and the camera can physically adjust its position to keep you in the frame. Move left, the camera follows. Move right, it follows again. And because the camera itself is moving, you're getting a completely different kind of tracking compared with a normal smartphone. For creators, this could be incredibly useful. You could potentially set the phone down and record yourself without needing someone behind the camera. It's almost like having a tiny robotic cameraman sitting on the table with you. And Honor isn't only focusing on the robotic movement. The phone also comes with a 200-megapixel main camera, plus a high-resolution periscope telephoto camera. Honor has also partnered with ARRI on imaging technology, bringing professional, cinema-inspired features to the phone. So this isn't simply a robot gimmick. Honor is clearly trying to make this a serious smartphone camera for creators and mobile filmmakers. After getting hands-on with the Honor Robot Phone, I think the most interesting thing is the direction Honor is taking. Most smartphones are competing with bigger sensors, more megapixels, and better AI processing. Honor decided to make the camera physically move, and that's what makes the robot phone so unique. It feels like a smartphone, a gimbal, and a tiny robotic cameraman all combined into one device. So the big question is, would you actually buy a phone with a robotic camera? Let me know what you think.